Hi there! In this video we will explore how we can search, update and delete relational data using DBIx. In other words, we will explore how we can look up related result instances from source result set and alter the underlying data in the database using update and delete methods. Let's get started. Now to search the related results, you can use the search related method. And how you can do that is by saying schema, you access your result set. So let's say we want to search user result. So all the results that are related to user record, which in our case, we can target the node results. But before that, we can also provide the method, which is of course search result, to specify which exactly user we want to search for. And we can say that we want to search for user with username. And let's see what we have in the database. So these are the nodes. And if we go to the user, we're going to see that we have, for example, user 1. And if we check the nodes, we're going to see that we have 3 nodes from user 1. So what we can do, we can say that we want to search the result set for user first with username user1, and then we can use the method, as said before, which is called search related. Now the search related accepts 2 arguments. The first argument is the relationship that you want to search the related results for. So if we check the user result, we're going to see that we have the nodes relationship, and that's what we're after. We want to search the related nodes to the user. So if we go back to the script and we say that we want to search for nodes, and let's just save this as it is in the current form. A quick note here, so you can supply search related or you can supply search related result set. And the difference is that if you're using the search related and you supply a list context such as nodes, results, you're going to get back objects of nodes. And if you're using a scalar context, for example, nodes, result, you're going to get back nodes result set instead of the actual node results. So let's quickly test that. So first of all, let's leave it as node result set, and if we're just going to say reference of the current node result, save this, and then we run the script usually with dbig trace equals 1, then we say Perl, include our libraries and run the script. We're going to see that we're getting back result set, which in this case is our node result set. And now if we provide a list context such as nodes, and let's change the nodes result set to nodes. So let's remove all of this and debug the description of the node for all the nodes that we got in the list. Run the script. What we're going to see that we are now selecting all the data from nodes. We're targeting the user table, but we're joining the nodes table, basically selecting everything from the nodes where the username equals 1. And then we're just printing out all the descriptions for node results that belong to user 1. And if we see these, such as node from user 1, we're going to see that these are the same nodes we have in the database. And as I said before, if you're using search related result set, you're always going to get back the result set that you're accessing. Now in this case, we are searching on the user result set, but we're also accessing related nodes result set. So this is what we're going to get back in the scalar context. Now, as I mentioned before, you can also supply extra arguments for search related and specify exactly what type of items you want to search for with extra filter conditions. So for example, we can say that we want to get our nodes before. So now we're calling the underscore result set search related method. So we need to say that we want to get all the results for the nodes. And in this case, we can provide extra filtering conditions such as we know that on the nodes items we have importance. So let's say we only want to return items where importance is greater than 1. And we're expecting back 2 nodes with ID 2 and ID 3. So let's do that. Instead of printing out the description, we can print out the ID of the nodes. And here, as a filter argument, we can say that we want to filter for all the items where importance is larger than 1. If we save this, rerun the script, we're going to see that now we're searching for all the related result sets for the user, which are nodes in our case, and we're supplying the filter conditions for the importance, which is larger than 1, which is the first placeholder value, and then where the username equals user1. And you can provide as many filter conditions as you want here, so you're not, of course, restricted to using only one field. Now the question becomes how we can actually update these items and how we can delete them. Now, first of all, how we can update the items. Well, we know that we're getting back result items, and as we have seen before, we can call methods such as updates on the result to set the new data for items. So in this case, we know that we're getting back 2 nodes where the importance is higher than 1. So these are 2 nodes with ID 2 and ID 3. Now let's say we want to update the description and say something like updated. How we can do that is, instead of calling the all method, just to get back the nodes result, let's also remove the assignments and let's remove the debugging. So here we can call the update method. And as I said before, we can simply say that we want to set the description to something like updated, or it doesn't really matter. We just want to say that the new description was set. So if we save this, rerun the script, and here we can see that we're updating the node description where the ID equals in the subquery being selected from the user with the username user1, and we also are filtering on importance, which is the second placeholder, and here we are setting the description now to updated, which is being replaced over here. If we check the PHP-MyAdmin interface, we're going to see that now for our two nodes we have the description that says updated. Right, so this is how you can update the related result items. Now how you can delete result items. To delete items, it's very similar to update. So instead of just calling update to set the new data, you simply say that you want to delete the items that was found through the search related results. So now we're expecting that we're going to delete the two nodes where the importance is higher than 1. So these are these two items in our database. Now if we save the script, rerun it, we're going to see that now we're deleting from the node table and we're looking up the items where the username equals user1 and importance equals 1. And if we check the PHP-MyAdmin interface, we're going to see that our two nodes are now gone. And we only have that one node remaining with importance equals 1. Alright, so that's it for this video. We looked at how we can search related results through search related methods, and we also explored what is the difference between search related and search related _ result methods. And on top of that, we also looked at how we can update and delete related results. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you at the next one.